Hey, this is Roland. Excuse the heavy breathing, but I've been hiking. I'm on the Art Smith Trail above Palm Desert, and this is a real desert oasis. It's in a riverbed. I thought I got a picture of it. This is where I'm going to turn back. I'm going to post a lot of photos later on my blog, but I just thought I'd try to capture this in a video to share. It's pretty amazing. This is one of the most stunning trails I think I've ever been on. It really is pretty amazing. And it's above Palm Desert, as I said. It's called the Art Smith Trail.